Hi, I'm Nita from Crafts by Nita, and welcome to my 2026 goals video. So I've got a list here that I started a while ago, and I just added a couple of things to it. So this is basically goals for me and this channel, and some other stuff flittered in here and there. So these are in like no particular order. It's just whatever came to mind, I wrote them down. So the first in my list is getting sales in my shop, which I have to date. When I opened my store in June of 2025, I have not had one single sale. I've gotten visits, but no sales. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong, other than the fact that I need to advertise more. I need to start using social media for that. I need to be more consistent in actually getting that started and done at the first of the year, probably like the second week of January, when my bigger projects, the temperature blankets, get done. I can focus on more of that so I can have a little more free time to get stuff I need to do done. The second one on my list is finish all the project tutorials that I have. Right now, currently, I have 3 that are in progress. I have, I think, 2 more that I've already shot but have not edited and written the pattern for it yet. I need to get those completed. That way we can do more stuff and make more projects and more tutorials. Which leads to the next one, is finish all the written patterns. Like I just said, I've got a couple that I need to do that with, edit the videos, and then write the patterns for it and finish them. I think I've got, if I have 3 done, I think I need to do the 5 patterns because I did not finish the other 2 for the tutorials that I have already shot and that are already on the channel. I need to sit down and get that done. Ugh, goals. It'll be so satisfying to take my pen and mark it off when I get it done. Next on the list is make YouTube courses. I've already got one in mind, which I've already decided those are going to be the Friday videos for however long it takes to complete the project. Now, I'm not going to sit and shoot all of it all at once because that's insane. It would be like a little difficult to get that done. So I'm just going to start at the beginning and work my way down. And I need to get an outline for that ready to go about the second week of January, hopefully. If not, then the third week. And then we can do that and work it until it's complete. That's a goal. That's a huge goal. Next, basically kind of for the channel and for myself, is to purchase a standalone camera. I mean, this, I do not have control over too much of it. As you can see, it's kind of washed out right now. I have to usually take it into Resolve and edit the color because it's a little washed out because that overhead light right there is just a little too bright, and so it makes it a little too, I don't know, it's too bright. It's just too bright. There's not enough contrast. It's just too much. So with a standalone camera that I can put into manual mode, I can set the f-stop, the aperture, the white balance, because that's what this is giving the problems with, is I do not have a way to take a picture of a gray card and set the white balance to that with my lighting. So that's a big one. It'll be a big purchase. Still not sure which camera I want to get, but I don't want to purchase one that's like $5 billion. And I also don't want to purchase a cheap one because I have that already. It's not full HD, it's a 720 camera, but it has issues because I've dropped it a couple of times. So when you turn it on, the menu freaks out and it wants to change to different camera modes. So that's why I'm not using that, and it's just in my drawer away. Let's see. Next on the list is be more consistent with the content. And that's content everywhere, not just on YouTube. I have content on Facebook, on Instagram. I'm on Blue Sky, but I don't really use it too much. And Threads. I'm on there, but I haven't really posted much on it. So I need to get a little more consistent with that and make it like more. You know, you can't expect to get followers if you don't have enough content, and that's just how it goes. I just don't want it to suck up all of my time because I do have a ton of projects that I need to finish. And probably not the last thing on the list, but it's the last thing that I've written down so far is to declutter this place. This is just, I've been here since August. It's now January, September, October, November, December, January, about 5 months. And I'm still nowhere near done going through things. I've gotten rid of a bunch of stuff. I have a ton of empty buckets that need to get tossed, but I need to get a couch so I can get rid of that and that twin mattress that's in there right now. That needs to go. I've got 2 other mattresses in the spare room that need to go, and I need to get everything out of that room and gone through so I can like set it up to be my sewing room and art room for right now. That way all of that stuff and the business stuff that I do not need out here can be put away. I need to get storage. I need to get I'm gonna get 9 cube cubbies, maybe 3 of them for the living room. I need to get 1 or 2 bookshelves, and I'm not sure what I'm going to need for the spare room right now. So that's basically going to take care of the living room. Get some of this stuff out of here. Also, I'm going to write this down while I'm thinking about it. Destash. If my... Aw, I want my pen work. Next pen. Destash yarn because I've got too much of it. A lot of it is for projects that I'm currently in the middle of. The queen size postage stamp blanket is going to use up all my little bits of yarn. I also have when I get down to like just a little bit of yarn left and it's not enough to make a whole square for that, it will get balled up and be used in my corner to corner blanket for my car. I have not finished panel 2 yet because I don't have any scrap yarn to use at the moment. So that is going to take care of that part. I'm going to try not to buy yarn unless I need it, which I know I'm going to need it when I finish this granny square baby blanket that I'm working on, because I need a border for it, so I have to go and purchase yarn for the border because I don't know. I don't know. I've got yarn right there. Maybe I just won't. I've got some lavender yarn over there that can use. I got 2 giant cakes from that jacket I took apart on Frogget Friday, so I might just use those for the border, so I don't have to purchase more yarn. Yeah, I'm not going to buy yarn unless I need it for a project. I'm going to write that down too. Don't purchase yarn unless needed for a project. And we add to the list. So far that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items on our goals list. And it'll probably get added to throughout the year when I think of things. And I'll come back and I'll revisit it. But right now that's all I have. And I don't want to do like long drawn out explanations for them. It's easy. I want sales in my shop, finish the project tutorials, finish all my whips, make all the stitch tutorials, finish all the written patterns, make YouTube courses, purchase a standalone camera, be more consistent with content, declutter this condo, destash my yarn, and don't purchase yarn unless I need it for a project. That's my list so far. And if I add anything else to it, I'll make a new video for it. So this was just a short, simple, sweet, and to the point 2026 goals. This is what I have. This is what I'm going to do. And if I actually make sales in my shop, the next goal I'll add on it, make more items for the shop. Just using the yarn that I've got over there until I need to purchase more yarn. So that's all that is. Do you have any 2026 goals? Let me know in the comments section below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.